Hello and welcome back, watch lovers. Casio have recently released the GWX100 range of watches. These are the latest in their G-Lide range of watches, so called because they have tide and moon phase functions and are aimed at surfers. Needless to say, these are all sold out, and the only way to get your hands on one is to pay over retail. With that being said, I still quite like the original first generation G-Lide G-Shock watches that were released a few years back. You can still get your hands on one of these if you're willing to pay a little bit extra, and I managed to get a hold of an original Japanese domestic market model, the GWX5600C-7J. Here's a quick unboxing video. This one was ordered from a Japanese store, and it only took about a week for it to be delivered to Ireland. A quick heads up is that unless the seller states that import duties and taxes are included, you will have to pay them when the package arrives. What normally happens is that the delivery company pays the duty for you in the first place, and you pay them back, plus the commission that they charge. So be prepared for that. These are the instructions for the movement inside the watch, the 3222 module. Thanks for watching, folks. Full review coming real soon.